Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include parking assist system, adaptive cruise control, sports steering wheel, blind spot monitor. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Stelvio. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.